Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add advanced text widget using Royal add-on Elementor in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see Royal add-ons, so click on it. So we are in widget section and then you see advanced text already enabled. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. On left side you see search widget, so write here advanced text. So this is widget advanced text for Royal add-on. Now drag and drop like this. Now you see advanced text widget edit and then you see animation. On left side you see content style advanced. In content you see style animated, highlighted. So you can select according to your requirement. So this is highlighted design and then you see shape, circle, underline. So you can select according to your requirement and then you see animation duration, animation delay, loop, enable, and then you see prefix text, highlighted text, suffix. So you can add text according to requirement, and if you want you can add link. Now you see shape. Now select double. Now you see animation edit. So you can select according to requirement and then scroll up, you see style, so click on it and then you see text color, prefix, advanced text, suffix text, and then you see typography, pencil icon, so click on it. So you can set font family, size, weight, transform style, decoration for all text according to requirement. So click on content again and then you see predefined style, so click on it. Now loading. Then you see multiple free layout, so you can select according to your requirement. Now select this, insert. Now you see block is added. So this is our advanced text with animation. Now click on it and then on left side you see style animated, animation slide, and then you see animated text, prefix text, suffix text. So you can add according to requirement. And then in animated text you see two text and then you see amazing places, best adventure. So in animation you see slide, typing, HR, vertical, horizontal, slide, clip, zoom. Now click on typing. Now you see typing effect. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.